Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a swap that came in from the Pocket Letters Crafting Group. Pocket Letter Crafting Group. My partner was Lisa. Make sure I don't show the address this time. I had to take down my last video because I accidentally showed the person's address. So I see some little washi tape samples. This is cool. Happy do what makes you happy. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so we got some washi samples, and there's someone do what you enjoy, a journey. Okay, so let's check on. I found a heart from somewhere and some little star confetti. Put that over there. So let's check out and the theme was rainbow. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. Like the tassel. All the rainbow colors. So cute. It says, find your joy. Oh, I see where the heart came from. It must have been on this. And it says, today I will. So she got that like heart key and then the heart in orange. Yellow. Inspiration. And she got a shaker in the center, which I'm going to, with rainbow going around. And it keeps coming up. I'm just going to fix that, Lisa. And all I'm going to do is just take a little bit of Scotch tape and just go like this. There we go. And we don't have to worry about it. There. Okay. So we got the shaker in the center. And then we have this blue over here. Awesome. Don't forget to be awesome. I read it wrong. Don't forget to be awesome with a butterfly. And then the blue down here with gems and blue flower. And then we got purple. And we got a rainbow. And a little paper clip thing. There are goodies in the back. So let's see. Okay. It's got a little paper clip on. And you open it. It's a flower. Oh, turn out. Okay. Hi, Tina. I hope you like my pocket letter I made for you as much as I like making it. This is my first ever swap. I hope okay, this is my swap, so I hope I did okay. You did awesome. Thank you, Lisa. I can't make out one word in there. So, thanks. You did awesome, Lisa. This is gorgeous. All right, let's check out the goodies. We'll start at the top. And let's see. Okay. She got this little there we go. And there's a key, pocket watch, a typewriter, a bicycle, a butterfly, and another butterfly. To the side. I'm going to stick her note back in there. There we go. And then we got some buttons. Them are cool. They're like little sticker buttons. Okay, put it right there. Okay. Oh, this is too cool. It says thought. I can't figure out what that says. I think it says thoughtless. No. Thou. Thoughts. Thoughts. But it's a T. No, that is so cool. That is neat. That is cool. I could pass this off as my initial. Okay. Then we got, ooh, look at these. 3 little leaf charms. Them are, or 4. Those are pretty. Pretty leaves. Cool. And then, there we go. 2 more pockets. Oh, look at this. This is cool too. This little, I almost thought it was 2, but it's not. It's like a necklace and it says dream big. And then when you flip it over, dream big. That thing is heavy. But you can use it as for on a tassel as well. And 1 more pocket. Okay. I don't want things falling out. Then we got a little chirrup girl. I call these chirrup girls. Sticker. And then a little shaker sticker. And I think there's a flower in there. And a butterfly. Or dragonfly. It's kind of hard to see. A lot of glitter in there. Thank you so much, Lisa. Your pocket letter is beautiful. And okay, there we go. I love how you did the different colors in each little section. I hope you liked yours that you got from me. You should have it by now or the next day or 2. If you guys are interested in a pocket letters crafting group, I will have it in the description box below. Description box below. As always, guys, be happy. And thank you again, Lisa, for stopping with me. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for all. Bye for now.